This is a quick little mini lesson on equality with whole numbers, fractional answers. So let's go ahead and rewrite our equation and get started. 7 equals 21 times b. That's what it means when you have a number next to a variable. It means you're multiplying them. And so we have to do the opposite operation, just like all the other equations that we've done. So 21 times b, the opposite would be to divide by 21. And we have to do that on both sides. What you do to one side of an equation, you have to do to the other. And that gives us b by itself on this side because 21 divided by 21 is 1. So we have 1b. And then we have 7 over 21. That means 7 divided by 21. But we're going to go ahead and simplify our answer as much as possible. So I know that I can divide both of these by 7 to simplify. 7 divided by 7 is 1, and 21 divided by 7 is 3. So b equals 1/3. So let's go ahead and enter our answer to see if we're correct. And there you go.